In this video I am going to show you how to add watermark to photo on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Photos application and first let's open up here some photo, and now there just hit on edit to open up the edit mode. Now here all you have to do is hit there on pencil icon, and now there you have to hit on plus, and from that options hit on text. Now you can add some text here at that image, just double tap on the text, you can remove it and write it whatever you want. And now there you can hit on that text, hit on this letters icon to change the size of this text if you want. Also you can change, let me replace it here. Also you can change their font if you want, and there also you can change the color of this text, and basically that's it. Now your watermark is ready. You can just hit done to save that new image. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.